Weather Service in Denver has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Weld County in northeastern Colorado until 5:30 p.m. At 4:49 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Eaton, or 8 miles northeast of Greeley, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Eaton, Alt, Pierce, Nunn, Purcell, and Gailton. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail.